So here we're looking at the State Farm Make It Better assignment, and what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the dialogue that you wrote just as like that quick kind of classroom assignment here in your original dialogue spot. And then we know that our goal is to make better dialogue tags and descriptions, so that's what we're focusing on. So I'm going to go through and figure out how I can make this piece better. So we're going to start with the first one. And this is written from the perspective of the man on the stoop looking at the businessman. So I watched him walk up to the car. Slowly he took the phone away from his ear. I don't think there's anything super bad with that. Maybe we'll go back later and add something. Um, is that my car? The question marks, the exclamation mark, the question mark, the all caps. That gives us some indication. And then we have the he question throwing his arms up in the air. So this is kind of a good, like, we have some actions, but my feeling is here he questioned. That doesn't work with the all caps and the exclamation points and all. So we can say something like he screamed, um, or he yelled, or he bellowed, or any of those things would match the "is that my car?" The question didn't match. This is ridiculous! Exclamation point. I'm okay with that for right now, but let's see. I feel like I might want to come back and revisit that. Um, the car was sitting on concrete blocks. This needs more description. Um, like, so we need to say something like it had been completely stripped, maybe. Not stripped. This is ridiculous. And then I need to do something that describes an action. Okay, so this is ridiculous is now repeated. So I think maybe I would remove this one and leave this second one. And then if he's saying this is ridiculous, um, maybe he can like stomp his foot. Maybe he can trying to think of actions that show like anger. Um, he loudly cried as he stomped. We're gonna lowercase that. So we described our action there, so that's good. So we're doing okay here. So we made those changes. We did that change, so we're doing good. Touching his hand to his head, he yelled, disgust on his face. This can't be happening. How do you know disgust is on your face? So we have to do something that shows disgust on his face. Maybe like a frown, like creasing his brow. This can't be happening. I like the exclamation point. Um, Trying to lighten the mood, I jokingly said, "Oh, it's happening, sweetheart." And I need to add a description here. Maybe something about like the view from the stoop, or like I was glad I was on my stoop far enough away from the irate man. So like those are the kind of things we want to do. All right, so that's how we do this. We fixed this. So you just want to go through each paragraph and try to make it a little better because our first time out of the gate is never the greatest. All right, so this is how we're doing to make it better. So I put my rewrite in here so you can see that it's highlighted and I have notes to myself. You're going to rewrite, once it's all fixed, you're going to rewrite it in this column over here. All right.